Hi guys, so this is Firework by Katy and I hope you enjoy. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards, one blow from caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under screens but no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you, 'cause there's a spark in you and you just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just own the night like the 4th of July, 'cause baby you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you're worth. Make 'em go oh, 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 as you shoot across the sky. 'Cause baby you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go oh, oh, oh. You're gonna leave 'em all in a